Do you want to get ahead in your industry? Start with a solid market analysis. And no, it's not just for giant corporations. It's a must for any size company. Market analysis is basically you being a detective for your business. Who else is selling what I sell? What are they doing right? Where are they dropping the ball, and is there an opportunity for me? What do customers actually want right now? And are there any new trends I should jump on? It's not being nosy, it's strategy. You're gathering clues so you can make smarter moves. Once you've done a little digging, you can make your products better. Price yourself smarter. Market yourself in a way that actually gets attention. And spot opportunities that everyone else is missing. Bottom line? Market analysis helps you work smarter, stand out, and win more customers, without feeling like you're guessing all the time. So if you want to grow faster and stop spinning your wheels, start by looking around. Your next big move might be hiding in plain sight. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more quick business tips. And if you'd like to see another topic covered, drop a suggestion in comments. I would love to hear what subjects interest you the most.